Hey guys, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So today I am going to do a new series here on my YouTube channel. It's been a while that I've been thinking of doing a series here in my YouTube channel, guys, because I wanted something interesting and new and refreshing on this channel since I haven't uploaded some videos quite a while now. So yeah, so I've been thinking, oh, why not do a series on my channel? Ulit-ulit. So yeah, and I decided that I will be doing or calling this series Blame It On. Yes, that is what we are calling this series. Why did I call it Blame It On? Because I've been watching a lot of some ads on the television, and I was not just from the television, but I also watch a lot of when when I'm scrolling my phone on Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere in social media, and even on YouTube, I saw a lot of ads promoting this product and this, and they claim to be like you can do it like this, like that. So they claim big on their products. So me myself felt so intrigued if what if I'm gonna try it myself, and it makes me think that does it really work what they claim to be, so that side of the story really intrigued me so much. So that's why we are having today this series, because I really wanted to try all these products, and I also wanted it to share to you guys because maybe you'll never know that this really works, but if doesn't, well, sorry. So this is what we're going to do on this video. I'm so excited. I'm really excited. I've been really thinking for the past days of doing this, and finally we're here. So today the first product that we are going to try is this one from PONDS. Sorry if mine is so dirty, guys. I've used this already. So it is the PONDS Acne Clear Facial Foaming Facial Wash. This is very, very intriguing product because when I saw this on TV, it was Julia Barreto, and they claim to be like for only 3 days they can at least clear your pimples or whatnot, but I doubt it will clear my pimples. So yeah, I hope this works, and I have some video clips where I've used this for 3 days before I used this, the second, third, and fourth. First, second, third days after I've used this, and let's see if this really worked on me in clearing my pimples, because that is such a huge claim. So what intrigued me so much on this product, because they said that this will clear your face in just 3 days. I don't know if I'm wrong, correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but that is what I've understood from the commercial. For only 3 days and your pimples will be gone. That pink, so magical. So I'm really, really intrigued on trying this one. This is the first product that really caught my eye. I'm gonna show you the clips now where I tried the PONDS Acne Clear. I always forgot the name. The PONDS Acne Clear Facial Foam. So let's sing first. You can blame it on me, but blame it on TV. Good morning, friends! So today is the second day that I have used the PONDS Acne Clear Foaming Facial Wash, and I don't know. This is my face, guys, and I don't know if you see any difference after ko siya ginamit. So on my first picture, I guess I have this pimple here, although nag-dry na siya kasi nung first day or yung the day before na hindi ko pa ginamit yung PONDS. Medyo may ano pa siya dito, yung may pus, or ano yan tawag na, nana inside. So yesterday meron pa siya, but now it has flattened, and this part here is still very red here. And one thing else, today is the second day, right? Merong bagong tumubo, diba? Ito, tingnan nyo. It's very red and active, guys, diba? Parang may pus pa siya inside. And I also have on this side too. So I don't know if this one is really going to work. Going to work, but I'm still using the same skincare that I always use. And yun, I don't know if kung ano ba yung tawag niyan? Because last night I ate yema, and every time I eat something sweet, and I had a lot of it last night because me and Baba made some yema. But this morning I woke up like having this one, and some active 2 here. So I don't know, we are already in our second day, but still no progress. But let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last day, guys, and I know. But I'm not really expecting a lot from PONDS because kahit before pa, every time I use PONDS, like yung mga cream nila and everything, nagbe-break out talaga ako. So I'm not expecting, but sa TV lang kasi it is just so promising, 'di ba? Yung sina Julia Barreto na yung ganyan yung may pimples ka daw, and then you just use this one, and after 3 days, you know, your pimples will be all gone, or at least magda-dry up man lang siya. But in my case, it's still pretty red. They're very pretty red and active, and I have a new one. So this is my update on the second day that I've been using the PONDS Acne Clear Foaming Facial Wash, and I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, friends! So today is our last day. Yeah, I think after the 3rd day, diba? So this is going to be my final update on the PONDS Acne Clear Solution Foaming Facial Wash. So here is my face, guys. I still have the redness here on this left cheek, and the pimple here. I don't know, it's not that dried up still, but yeah. So you will be the judge. You will ano ba yan? You will be the judge, guys, kung effective ba talaga yung PONDS na acne clear, acne solutions, foaming facial wash. So eto yung pimples ko sa forehead, and as you can see, kahapon to, di ba? Yeah, I think kahapon. So it's still pretty red. It did not clear up at all, and the other side as well, you know, nothing happened. So I still have all this blotchiness, you know. These are not active pimples, guys. These are already scarring, but I don't know, I am weird sometimes because I do not scar, like, you know, dark scar. Sometimes it's just red, it appears red. So maybe yes, but this feels a little, it still feels something, but as you can see, yon sa malapitan. So yeah, this is the final of the PONDS Acne Clear Foaming Facial Wash. So did it work? I don't know. Given 3 days, it's supposedly to really dry up, but it did not dry up. Like, you know, I was expecting it to be at least yung super dry, yung flat na flat, but at this point hindi. So in 3 days it did not work, and I don't know if it will work still after, if I am going to use this for a long time. And kasi I don't like the, you know, the feeling of it on my face. Yeah, so this is my face, so I'm gonna do a final checkup. Guys, you have seen the clips that I've used the PONDS Acne Facial Foam, so it is so obvious na it did not work for me. Yeah, I don't know, it's just too much to promise, like to use an acne product and it could really erase that acne on your face. It's too much because I don't know if you know, but for me, my acne is not from the surface of my face. Most of my acne is hormonal, or if I use something like right now, nowadays, I've used that hairspray, and I think I am not compatible with that hairspray because I have my acne all over here in my forehead. So yeah, there are a lot of culprits really in what caused your acne, so that is really a huge claim. Acne is a case basis, so you can really pinpoint what had caused your acne. The issue here is not about not washing or washing your face. Most of the time, if you have that big acne, it's always the inside problem. So yeah, so my conclusion on this product, on the PONDS Acne Clear Facial Foam, it did not work for me. Leave a comment below if this worked for you, or at least it has dried your acne, your pimple, or what else that is cold. My heart did not ache because this is very affordable, so it's fine, and it did not add any more breakouts on my face. Did not work for me, guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful. Yeah, it was really a lot. I talk a lot and I'm sorry. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful, and if it did help you, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also thank you so much for watching every time you come here, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I will see you on my next video. Bye.